Welcome to International Securities Exchange's podcast series. Facilitated by renowned educators, ISE podcasts are intended to teach beginning as well as seasoned investors the ins and outs of trading. To find an updated list of podcasts, please visit www.ise.com/podcasts.
Question about hedging. So if you wanted to hedge, question is, if I wanted to hedge, I would buy a call option. You'd be buying a call option if you felt that the U.S., you wanted to hedge your British pound exposure, you could be buying a call on the BPX. That means that the U.S. dollar would rally relative to the British pound. Another example would be buying a call on the yuck. And let's say for whatever reason you had a lot of Japanese yen exposure. So that's the way you look at it. Oh, wow. Bruce says that the link isn't working. Bruce, can you send me an email and I'll send that email to Price? My email address is please send me, I'm going to give everyone my email address, and then I'll send it to Price with that problem. So David wants to know if he can get a demo platform. No, David, what you can get a demo platform from some of the brokers. So Price was showing TradeStation. They may have it. We know that Interactive Brokers has this available. We know that Option Express has it. We know that E-Trade has it. So those are some of obviously the larger brokers, Thinkorswim. Those guys all have this ability, and you can open an account there. Looking for one or two more questions. David wants to know, can you tell me the approximate price of a 3-month call on BPX? Let me take a quick look. Another place you can go to look at these options is at the ISE. So we can go to www.ise.com. I'm going to do that right now on my other computer. I'm going to go to Market Data and Tools. Market Data and Tools. Then I'm going to go to Quotes. And I'm going to type in BPX. So let's take a look. And you want to see out a couple of months. So let's go into October, and let's just see, well, the price, let's take a look at that. So a 3-month option, if we're looking at, I'm looking at October, so that's giving me 73 days. And I can give you some quotes as of the close. The 51 calls were priced at about $1. The 52 calls were priced at about 51 or 52 cents. So those would be some prices for October options, David. And you can go to the ISE, www.ise.com, go to Quotes Volatility, and then you're good to go. And you can, these are 20-minute delay, but you can also go to bigcharts.com. They have all the prices there too. David also wants to know, for $100,000 worth of currency, each pair value is going to have a different sort of nominal amount. So if I'm looking at, let's say, the U.S. dollar versus the Canadian dollar, since it's trading at 104, it's worth about $10,400. So you need whatever that is. I don't know. Was that 9 contracts? So that's the way you would do it. And you have to sort of figure it out against BPX, and maybe about 18 contracts. Just want to give everybody another 15 seconds, but again, great place to go to see the prices. www.ise.com, Quotes and Volatility, and you can just see the prices, and that's a great place, great way. I'm getting a lot of questions. It seems like we have a lot of people that, for some reason, want to hedge. Another great way to look at it. So I just want to say thanks so much, everyone. I really appreciate you spending time with Price, Headley, and myself. Of course, I'm the host, Steve Meisinger, but we had Price as the special guest. thank you again for spending time, and I look forward to seeing you back at the ISE webinar series next week. Thank you, and have a great trading day. On the behalf of the International Securities, this is Steve Meisinger saying good night.
Thank you for listening to our podcast. To find more podcasts on options, stocks, alternative markets, and market data, please visit www.ise.com/podcasts.